Did you know that two different YouTube channels can get the exact same amount of views, yet one makes $200 a month while the other makes $5,000? Most people starting a faceless AI channel pick the worst possible topics, like generic motivational quotes or funny memes. They get millions of views but make pennies because advertisers refuse to pay for those audiences. Today, I am pulling back the curtain on the 5 highest-paying AI niches that can realistically generate $5,000 a month with only a fraction of the views standard channels need. I'm giving you the exact topics to copy and the full step-by-step framework to launch them today. If you want to stop wasting time on low-paying content and build a high-revenue digital asset from day one, smash that subscribe button right now and turn on your notifications. Let's look at the hard truth behind why channels fail. Stop whatever you are doing. Look directly at the screen and give me your absolute focus for the next 2 minutes, because choosing the wrong niche is the #1 reason 99% of creators fail before they even start. Most beginners fall into a massive trap, the high-view, low-revenue illusion. You see a channel posting automated funny animal videos or low-effort meditation music getting millions of views, and you think. What you don't see is that those niches have a CPM of less than $1. You would need 5 million views just to make a few $1,000s. And because the barrier to entry is so incredibly low, millions of other lazy creators are uploading the exact same generic content, saturating the market to zero. If you want to make $5,000 a month sustainably, you must target audiences that have money to spend, because that is where the luxury advertisers are. Advertisers in finance, high-end technology, and business development will happily pay $20 to $40 per 1,000 views to get their products in front of your viewers. You don't need millions of views to hit your financial goals, you just need a dedicated, high-value audience. If you lack the patience to build a strategic channel around real market demand, close this video right now. But if you want to copy the most profitable systems available, let's look at niche number 1. The first gold mine is the AI software and SaaS explainer niche. New artificial intelligence tools are launching every single day, and these tech companies are desperate for user acquisition. Channels in this space create faceless walkthroughs, tool comparisons, and how-to guides. Tech companies pay the highest ad rates on earth because a single converted customer can be worth thousands to them. Next up is cybersecurity and digital privacy. With the massive rise of digital data leaks, online fraud, and global tracking, everyday people and small business owners are terrified of being hacked. Creating automated, faceless educational videos breaking down major hacks, data protection strategies, and VPN comparisons draws a highly educated, high-income viewer base that advertisers bid heavily to reach. Niche number 3 is alternative finance and trading technology. This isn't generic, how to save money content. This focuses heavily on the technology behind modern finance, algorithmic trading bots, institutional market mechanics, and decentralized finance infrastructure. The viewers here are actively looking for places to invest large sums of capital, making your channel premium real estate for luxury financial brokerages. Our fourth hyper-profitable category is prop tech and luxury real estate investing. This involves creating cinematic, faceless documentaries covering megaprojects, smart city architecture, and real estate automation systems. The highly visual nature means you can leverage stunning, free property showcase loops while capturing an audience of high-net-worth real estate buyers and investors. Finally, niche number 5 is B2B solopreneurship and AI automation agencies, AAA. Millions of corporate workers are looking to exit the 9-to-5 loop by creating micro-businesses using AI. Content that explains how to build automated workflows for small businesses attracts an audience of serious operators ready to purchase premium business software, web hosting, and automation tools through your video links. We are about to move into the exact step-by-step execution framework to build one of these channels completely for free. But before we open the tools, I want to see who is truly paying attention. Drop a comment below right now stating which of these 5 niches you are choosing to start. Writing it down commits you to the path, and it tells me exactly who in our community is ready to execute. Give this video a like, and let's build the workflow. Open up Claude. Because we are targeting premium, high-paying niches, our information needs to be flawless and professional. Input this exact prompt. ChatGPT. Give it this command. This instantly gives you your lead generation assets. Paste your long-form script into ElevenLabs. For these premium niches, select a mature, calm, and professional voice profile like Brian or Michael. Download the high-definition audio file. If you want to keep costs at zero, open CapCut, paste your script text directly into a text layer, and use CapCut's completely free, built-in, text-to-speech engine. Choose the corporate narrator voice to get unlimited narration with 0-character caps. Import your voice track into your CapCut timeline. Head to completely free stock sites like pxels.com or pixabay.com to pull stunning 4K background clips of modern offices, servers, digital code overlays, and abstract tech loops. Align your cuts exactly to the audio pacing. Go to the text panel, select Auto Captions, choose a sleek corporate font style, and add a subtle animation to ensure maximum viewer retention. Export the project in native 1080p HD. Now your video assets are completely formatted and ready for upload inside your YT Studio app. But remember our core goal from the first blueprint: we need to shatter the 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour monetization limit as quickly as humanly possible. Since you are in a high-paying niche, your viewers are high value. When you post your 4 short-form videos throughout the week, remember that the YouTube short-form algorithm distributes your content to vast pools of brand new users. Inside the pinned comments of those shorts, write a compelling curiosity hook linking directly to your long-form video. The short videos act as your free subscriber gateway, while those highly qualified business viewers click through to watch your long-form Claude scripts, completing your 4,000 watch hours in record time. This is a closed-loop funnel designed to get your channel approved for real ad revenue within weeks. Picking a high-paying niche isn't about working harder, it is about working smarter and positioning yourself where the real digital ad revenue flows. You now have the exact 5 niches, the scripts, and the deployment system to get it done. If this step-by-step breakdown opened your eyes, smash that subscribe button right now. Initialize your new premium channel today,